The biggest travel mistake most seniors make isn't overpacking. It's packing the wrong things. A suitcase full of just-in-case outfits, and not a single item that actually makes the trip more comfortable, safer, or easier. The difference between a stressful journey and a seamless one often comes down to a few small, brilliant essentials most people never think about. Today, we're breaking down the essential senior travel kit, the top-rated gear, from advanced comfort aids to safety tools, that belongs in every savvy senior traveler's bag. Long-haul flights are notorious for causing leg stiffness. A portable memory foam foot hammock is a game-changer for anyone sitting in economy. It hooks easily onto the tray table arms, allowing you to elevate your feet and take pressure off your lower back. Maintaining elevated legs during a flight helps improve circulation and prevents that heavy leg feeling when you land. It's a simple way to turn a standard seat into a much more ergonomic, restful space. While a hammock is great for weightless elevation, what if you prefer a more solid, stable foundation for your feet? A padded, non-slip airplane footrest provides a firm but plush platform for your feet. It is specifically designed to keep your knees from locking up during long journeys by providing a stable, structured base for your soles. For travelers with hip or knee sensitivities, having a dedicated place to rest your feet at the correct angle can prevent the localized aching that often sets in during the second half of a flight. But what if you need even more height to truly stretch out and fill that empty gap in front of your seat? An inflatable travel footrest with adjustable height layers is a brilliant addition to your carry-on. Because it is inflatable, it can fill the entire space between seats, effectively turning your coach seat into a lay-flat surface for your legs. This is particularly helpful for shorter seniors whose feet might not comfortably reach the floor of the plane. It provides a customizable level of support that can also be used in airport waiting lounges or even your hotel room. Now that your legs are fully supported, how do we ensure your neck gets that same level of VIP treatment? An inflatable neck pillow with a soft velvet cover allows you to control the firmness by simply adjusting the air level. Unlike bulky traditional pillows, this version packs down to the size of a deck of cards when not in use. Proper neck alignment is the difference between a restful nap and a multi-day neck cramp. The adjustable inflation means you can find the exact level of support your cervical spine needs without carrying a heavy, oversized pillow around the airport. Flight comfort is essential, but what happens when you land and face those uneven, historical cobblestone streets? Before continuing, a heartfelt thank you to Pamoja Safaris for their incredible support. Their expertise in creating unforgettable safari experiences across Africa has been truly remarkable, and those seeking adventure beyond the seas will find exceptional care and authentic experiences with their team. Exploring historical sites often means navigating uneven terrain. Collapsible, lightweight trekking poles are specifically designed to provide balanced support for seniors. They are sturdy but fold down easily to fit right into a daypack or carry-on. These aren't just for mountain hikers. Using a pole on cobblestone streets or during long walking tours significantly reduces the impact on your knees and provides an extra point of contact for maximum stability on slippery or steep surfaces. Stability keeps you moving, but how do you stay dry and protected when a sudden European rainstorm hits? Don't let a sudden downpour ruin your sightseeing. A wind-proof automatic travel umbrella is compact enough to fit in a purse, but strong enough to withstand heavy gusts without flipping inside out. A reliable umbrella is a safety tool. It keeps you dry and prevents you from having to rush or run for cover on wet, slippery sidewalks, reducing the risk of a fall during a surprise rainstorm. Rain is one obstacle, but what about the challenge of navigating a dark, unfamiliar hotel room at night? Hotel rooms and unfamiliar streets can be dark and disorienting. A high-lumen, rechargeable pocket flashlight packs massive brightness into a tiny frame. These usually feature long-lasting batteries that can be easily charged via USB. Having a high-powered light source is essential for navigating unfamiliar hotel hallways during an emergency or simply finding your way to the bathroom at night. It is far more effective and easier to hold than a smartphone light. While light keeps you safe, how do you handle the stifling heat of a crowded bus or a non-air-conditioned museum? crowded terminals, buses, or museums can often become stifling. A portable handheld mini fan with a long battery life can keep you cool for hours and often doubles as a backup power bank for your phone. Overheating is a common cause of travel fatigue. This quiet, powerful fan allows you to control your immediate environment, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable while waiting in lines or traveling through humid climates. Finally, we've handled the big challenges, but what about those tiny wardrobe emergencies that can happen in an instant? A missing button or a small hem tear shouldn't force you to change your outfit. A compact multi-piece travel sewing set in a hard case includes everything you need for emergency repairs on the go. This is about independence. Having your own sewing supplies means you don't have to wait for a hotel concierge or find a local tailor for a 5-minute fix, keeping your wardrobe and your trip on track. The best trips are the ones where you can focus on the sights and the stories, not on a sore neck or a dead flashlight. By packing these senior-specific essentials, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, safer adventure. You've earned these travels, so make sure you have the gear that honors your comfort.